Also tonight, a fight over the new Texas law banning sanctuary cities gained national attention again today. The Department of Justice issued a letter of support to state officials and offered to help defend Texas in court. The law would require local police departments honor requests from federal immigration agents to hold inmates who are subject to deportation. Law enforcement officers would face jail time if they don't. Now, the law also allows police officers to question a person's immigration status when they're detained. Eyewitness News reporter Priya Sridhar is here with what all of the Department of Justice said today. Priya?
That's right, Jeff. Well, the Department of Justice weighed in. Attorney General Jeff Sessions said that the DOJ fully supports Texas's effort and that Texas has, quote, admirably followed President Trump's lead in committing to keep America safe and ensuring cooperation with federal immigration law. The statement also said that the DOJ will help Texas defend its law in court.
Senate Bill 4, known as the Sanctuary Cities Law, has sparked widespread protests across Texas by critics who believe the law is unconstitutional and opens the door to racial profiling. Today, the Trump administration weighed in, saying the law is critical in enforcing our nation's immigration law. The statement of interest from the Department of Justice is in response to several cities, including San Antonio, filing litigation aimed at blocking the controversial law.
I'm just glad that the bureaucrats that issued those policy statements at the Department of Justice aren't sitting in a federal court bench or on the Supreme Court.
Friday, local lawmakers from Bexar County reacted to the opinion. Many saying that they have full faith that our country's system of checks and balances will prevent Texas's judicial branch from being influenced by politics.
Especially federally appointed judges who are appointed for life, who know the law infinitely better than these DOJ administrators, are going to be swayed by people who are, towing a company line, that are out there just kind of having to support the administration's positions.
Here in Bexar County, newly elected Mayor Ron Nirenberg, SAPD Chief William McManus, and Sheriff Javier Salazar have all been vocal opponents of this new law.
Now, following the DOJ's statement of interest, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton expressed his appreciation to President Trump and the department for supporting the law. There will be a federal hearing on the case against SB 4 Monday here in San Antonio. The law is set to go into effect September 1st. Reporting live, Priya Sridhar, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.